Hi, this is Engineer Rodolfo Ocate from Haro, Iloilo City. Today I will discuss to you how to solve the radius of the inscribed circle in a triangle, as well as the circumscribed circle in a given triangle. So we have two objectives here: find the small r and find the big R. Okay, first we have the inscribed circle, the small radius r in a triangle. The formula is r is equal to area of the triangle divided by s of the triangle, where s is a plus b plus c, the sides of the triangle divided by 2. The area is this, or the area is 1/2 AB, or 1/2 3 times 8, or divided by 2, so 6 by 8, or 3 by 8, or 24. The area is 24. If we solve the s, this is the sum of the three sides, 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 2, or 12. By Heron's formula, this one, s is 12, then s minus 6, s minus 8, s minus 10, then square root of that, and the area is 24. Okay, then solving for the small radius is equal to the area over s, or area 24 divided by s of 12, or the radius is 2. Okay, simple as that. Then for the circumscribed circle, the big radius encircling the vertex of the triangle, we call the radius big R. So we have this. First we have to solve for the interior angle A and B. Angle C is 90. Angle A is arcsine of 6 over 10. Sine of angle A is 6 over 10. Then by calculator, angle A is 36.87 degrees, while angle B is sine of 8 over 10, or arcsine 8 over 10. Angle B is 53.13. Okay, solving for the big radius, this is 2r, or diameter. It is equal to the sine law. Either way, whatever, you use the ratio of side over the sine of the angle. So using this, side A over sine A, you have A is 6 over the angle of 36, sine of 36, 87. Then solving for the R, remember we divide that by 2, this divided by 2, or R is equal to 5. Then also for B is 8 over 10 sine, okay, 8 over 10. So B over sine B, or 53.13, then also divide this by 2 also. Then R is also 5. Whichever you use, R, big R is 5. If we use this C over sin C, C is 10, divided by sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So this entity is 10 divided by 2 is still 5. Okay, that justify the solution. 3 solutions that big R is 5. Now, if we use another example, if we use the another triangle given the 3 sides are 9, 10, and 10.39. Okay. Solving for S, the formula of Heron's formula is this. Then S, the sum of the 3 sides divided by 2. Solving for S, 10.39 plus 10 plus 9, or 10.695. 10.695. Then the area, okay, substitute to Heron's formula for 10.695 this and so on. So area is 41.12785, the area. Then the small radius, the green one, is just area over S, the small r, inscribed circle, or r is equal to 2.8 whatever units, centimeter or feet. Then the big R, circumscribed circle, first we have to determine the angle of the 3 sides. So by cosine law, since they only given are 3 sides, we have no angle. So solving for the angle A by cosine law, A square, this is the A, equals to B square, the square of the 2 adjacent sides, minus twice the adjacent sides, cosine of A. Substitute 10.39, 9 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 9 times 10 times cosine of angle A. Then solving for angle A, it is 66.0574 degrees. Okay, that is if you remember your cosine law, this one. Then once we solve the one of the angle, the other 2 angles can be solved by sine law, so that sine B, okay, this angle A is now solved. Angle B is equal to sine sin B over 9, sin B over 9, this one is equal to this 2, sin 66.057, this angle divided by 10.39, sine law. Then solving for angle B, it is 52.343. Angle B is smaller than angle A. Then by sine law also, angle C is sin C, this over 10, this opposite the angle C, over 10, same as this, just copy this, sin 66.0574 divided by 10.39. Solving for angle C, it is 61.6. Solving these 3 angles must be 180 degrees. This is almost 118. Okay, 180. This is, I check this, it is 180. Then solving for the big angle, 2r or diameter by sine law, this is the one. Be sure that the numerator must be linear measure. Since r is linear measure, numerator here must be a linear measure by sine law. This is the sine law. So solving for r using this, 2r is equal to a over sine a, or a is, okay, this one opposite angle a is 10.39 divided by angle a as sine 0.574, and r is equal to 5.684. Remember, you have to divide this by 2. Then also, if you solve the other way using this, 2r is equal to b over sine b. B is 9, sine of 52,343. Okay, then r is 5.684, same as this one, no conflict. Also, using C side, the side C divided by angle C, 61 sine 61.6, C is 10. Then solving r, it is also 5.684. They are all the same. Circumscribed circle in a triangle. No problem, whatever the shape of the triangle, scalene, obtuse, or reflex, the same formula, sine law. And that's all for now. Be sure to subscribe my video. I will make more demonstration of this engineering solution. Thank you and good luck.